didn't yell. She almost crashed.
Wait before I hit you. Sinead, they parked their car right there.
That's fine. Okay, so put your foot on the brake. The bigger pedal is the brake, Jamala. That is the gas. That's the brake. Put your foot on the brake. Put the car in drive and slowly release the brake. Slowly. Put it in drive. You have to hold the button. Okay, let go. You hold. So do it. Hold it. The D is drive. Is it in drive? Yes. Slowly look ahead. You have to look ahead. Slowly. Jamila.
I'm sorry. I don't like this. I don't like this.
I said slowly release the brake. It wasn't going to go anywhere. Just slowly. It'll go. Slowly release the brake. Like, don't let go of it completely. Don't let go of it completely. Slowly release it. And the car will go. Slowly. Yeah, there you go. Slowly. So there you go. See, slowly. Now turn. Turn. Yeah, there you go. Now turn. Straighten the car. Straighten the car. Straight. Faster. Straighten the car faster. There you go. You good. Now straight. Like, keep the wheel straight. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna turn. Don't, keep the brake like, good job. Turn it all the way. Turn it all the way. Good job. Now, straighten. See, you see the lines? You want to not go to the line. Turn. Because if there's cars parked here, so I'm trying to teach you to, like, go around. Because if there's cars parked here, you don't want to hit them. So straighten. Keep going. No, let go of the brake a little bit. It's okay. Stop.
Down like this.
Turn faster. There you go. Now you see the lines, right? You have to be cautious of the lines. Keep turning. Turn. Good job. Now straighten the car. When you turn, you have to straighten the car.
This bitch is crazy.
What are you talking about? You're doing extra. Good job. You're doing a good job. You have to drive straight. Like, when you see the car leaning, you have to put it straight. Now turn again. All the way. Yep, good job. Keep exactly what you're doing. Don't keep doing that.
Like this. I told you to just like cool.
Now straighten the car. When you turn and you see these lines, you want to straighten the car and try to go over here, because if there's a car here, you'd hit it. So you have to imagine that there's cars parked here. That's good. You're doing a good job. Good job. Straight. You gotta straighten it. When you see these lines, you straighten it. Good job. Now turn again. All the way. You're doing a good job. You gotta let go of the brake a little bit. Just a little bit. Let go of the brake a little bit. Just a tiny bit. When you see the car pick up a little bit, then you want to keep the same speed. That's the whole goal. To keep the same speed.
How do you stop the brake?
How do you stop the car?
Mm-hmm.
Press the brake slowly. Hold on to the brake slowly. Press it down. See? Wait, because somebody's coming, so we gotta wait. And you're a new driver, so we're gonna let them go first. Okay? Now let go of the brake slowly. Keep doing what you were doing. We're gonna turn. We're gonna keep going in circles. Go on. Slowly. Go ahead, take your time. Keep going. Let go of it a little bit more slowly. A little bit more. You have to feel the car move. There you go. Now turn. Good job.
I told you I should have went barefoot.
Wear sneakers next time.
I feel like I have no control because I'm heavy foot.
You gotta straighten the car. So let go of it. You have to let the car go a little bit faster. So let go of the slow. Yeah, like that. That's good. That's good. Just keep your foot on the brake. You don't have to accelerate or anything. You can keep your foot on the brake. Straighten the car. Straighten it. Straighten it. Straighten it. There you go. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Straighten. You're leaning that way. Straighten it this way a little bit. You don't have to do that. So pretty much when I say straighten the car, you have to like just hit it like that and then go like this. Hit it like that and then go like this. Okay? Now turn. You have to let go of the brake a little bit. There you go. Straighten the car. Straighten the car. I said straighten the car. Now turn again. Turn all the way. Now straighten it, straighten it. When you turn, you have to straighten it when you come to this point because you don't want to hit her. She did such a good job. I'm such a good driving instructor, right? Okay. Yeah, we did a wonderful job. And guess what? I didn't die this time. Last time, I almost died. It was her fault.
She scared me. She yelled at me.
I didn't yell. She almost crashed.
You did.
She almost crashed.
She yelled at me.
She almost crashed.
She's like,
She almost crashed.
thank God.
But we're alive, and she did a wonderful job, as you guys can see. Got a fucking bow.
You got a bow.
Got a bow. Got a bow. Got a bow.
Ready?
Got a fucking bow. Got a bow. Oh, she dropping the boat. So we're making some. Don't mind it being in the tin, because you know they ain't got all their stuff together. They just moved in, right? Spaghetti, vegetables, motivation, water boiling, other pan stuff, and turkey. Let's do this.
Rich niggas on me, they figures on me. Got a smoke like my neck, looking like a whole thing. Fuck around and catch a cold, but I don't see. Give it so good, like a nigga suck. I run it up, they busy running their mouth. Bitch from the south.
Pasta cooking, vegetable steaming. Y'all see it? I had to put the turkey and stuff in the pot because this one was too small and I couldn't stir. So now I'm stirring. You see that? You see that? Ooh! Sauce in it. You guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. And I'll be back in the next one.